Welcome to the HydroWiz technical video series. Your control panel features the latest in pump and motor control automation technology, including onboard ABB variable speed drives, a color touchscreen, and a comprehensive range of built-in safety and protection features designed specifically for commercial and industrial applications. Before we get started with the setup and operation, it's important to cover safety. Please pay close attention to these instructions as they are critical for both your safety and the longevity of your equipment. All electrical connections must be carried out by a registered electrician in accordance with the user manual provided with this panel. This panel has been designed for commercial and industrial applications. If you intend to use it in a domestic or residential environment, the installing electrician is responsible for ensuring compliance with all relevant wiring standards. Prior to installation, ensure the power supply is isolated. Never work on a live panel. The panel must be connected to a power supply that is circuit breaker protected, and a qualified electrician should select the correct amp rating. Any additions or modifications to the panel are not permitted and will void the warranty. This controller is not intended for use by children or infirm persons without supervision. Repairs must only be carried out by a suitably qualified electrician. Following these safety precautions is essential before proceeding to installation or operation. The following videos in this series will guide you through the setup and configuration of a HydroWiz panel while showcasing the powerful capabilities it offers for pump and motor control. Happy viewing.